name. So it was wilsontutorials.com. So you'll enter in your domain name and then you'll enter in -wp-admin and then press enter. So next you'll enter in the password and the email that you use to sign up with WordPress. So here I'll enter in my details. After you enter in your email and your password, I'll click on Remember Me. Then I'll click on Login. And congratulations, now we're logged into our new domain that we purchased. Now, in case you forgot your password or your email or for whatever reason, you can always log in through Hostinger. So under the website section, under website list, here you'll see our domain, and all you gotta do is click on WP admin, and this will actually log you directly into your WordPress website without any credentials. And then you're logged back in directly to your WordPress website. Now, before going any further, there is some settings that I just want to adjust in the general settings. So over here under users, let's click on profile. Now the first option is adjusting the color scheme. So here you can select a different color scheme for the back end of your WordPress websites. Scrolling down, you'll see that you can also update your email address. So if you want to change your email for whatever reason, you can do it here. And lastly, if you want to adjust your password for WordPress, you'll click on Set New Password under Account Management. And here you can go ahead and adjust and update your password for WordPress. Once you update your information, you can then click on Update Profile and save the changes. All right, cool. Now let's go ahead and click on Dashboard. All right, pretty simple, right? Hostinger makes things